Hi guys, if you want to know how to delete your Etsy account permanently right from your phone, you are in the right place. Normally you would just open the Etsy app and then you would look for a delete option inside the settings, but you can't find it. Close the app because on Etsy you need the browser version to delete your account. Open any browser of your choice on your phone and then open the official website of Etsy.com and make sure to be logged in. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then go to account settings. In the account section right here, you can scroll all the way down until you see the close account option right here. Since we want to delete our Etsy account permanently, we are going to tap on privacy settings right here or scroll all the way up until we can see the privacy section here and tap on it. Now we need to scroll down until we see the permanently close and delete Etsy account section. Then we tap on request deletion of your data. Confirm it by tapping on yes, I'm sure. For the last and final step, we only need to check our emails and find the email from Etsy where we need to tap on the link to delete our account permanently. And that's it. Thanks for watching.